Alors, let's watch again and again and again and again and again. D'abord, the almond filling. We start. Almond flour, sugar, eggs. I don't like butter and I don't like margarine, so I'm gonna do a little bit of coconut oil and half margarine. Voilà, some vanilla. Yeah, yeah. Wow. Pourquoi ça pop like that? A drop. One, two, and then I don't like that neither. Almond extract. I'm gonna put a little bit, but I'm really not a fan. Just a little. Boop, boop. That's it. Ok, on mixe la poudre d'amande, du sucre, un œuf, du beurre, de la vanille et de l'extrait d'amande. This is it. We're gonna put that in the fridge. On va mettre ça au frigidaire. It has a very sandy texture, not like a cookie dough. C'est très sableux. C'est pas comme une pâte à cookies. On peut sentir les amandes. You can feel the almond in the touch. Okay, so this go in the fridge. So again, they ask for 230 grams of butter, and I don't want to use butter, so I'm using coconut oil as well as olive oil. I really don't want to use margarine, so I hope it's gonna make it happen anyway. The texture, because butter, nothing can beat butter. So I did a mix: olive oil, coconut oil, and still a little bit of margarine for the texture. Powdered sugar, a drop of vanilla, almond extract, just a little. One egg. Flour. Baking soda. Now we take the almond dough, some portion, but half of the amount of the cookie dough. On prend la moitié du montant de la pâte à cookies en pâte à amandes. Et on enrobe la pâte à cookies autour de la pâte à amandes. super crunchy all around. C'est super croustillant. And then you have the whole chewiness of the almond cookie inside, and it just melts in your mouth. Very nice. C'est tout croustillant. Et après, dedans, il y a le cookie aux amandes qui fond dans votre bouche, super chewy, je sais pas comment on dit en français. Et après là, c'est tout soft. C'est chewy, gooey. Je sais pas comment on dit. Excellent.